keeps on collecting in human mind. Similarly, we are trying to mimic artificial intelligence. Okay, so can you all tell me what kind of data is fed into the machine learning model? Any one of you who could, tell, or I can have also multiple answers. You can also type in the chat box in case you don't want to speak. That would
Data,
be
audio data, video data,
Structured
picture
data.
data.
Structured data.
Structured and unstructured data.
okay. Right now we are not talking of categories, but I take the answers. I take video data, audio data. Yes, more.
Primary data, secondary data, madam.
Primary and secondary data.
Ma'am, financial data,
Okay. Okay.
financial
we can
data,
Statistical data. Statistical data.
Oh, that's nice. So numerical, statistical data. That's fine. Great.
And basically a collection of related sets of information that is composed of separate elements.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. I take that answer. But I'm just talking of how do we collect? I mean, how do we make this data set? What all things?
On the basis of some kind of similarity in between
Relation.
some kind of
Data.
relationship. It could be
Relationship
one
between the data.
We collect data through different ways and means like sensors or through the data which is stored in the databases or through the likes and dislikes of people who use the internet or any app. From there we collect the data.
Yeah, Smita ma'am, correct. So that is web scraping, right? So we collect data when we are doing any online activities.
Ma'am,
So
we collect
also
offline
collecting.
also.
Yeah.
And we
We
collect
collect by
offline
surveys
data.
also, ma'am.
Server
Very
scrapping.
nice. We collect offline also. And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
can I also say we also collect data from IoT devices?
Yes, of course, IoT.
Yes, we do.
Great. And then
Yes.
what about sensors?
yes,
Yes, we can from
Yeah,
sensors.
we can. And if I talk of surveys,
yes, ma'am, we can
Yes.
collect from the data from
That
the
is also a
surveys
type of data.
right?
When that are the means of collecting the data.
Yes, so they are means of collecting data, and we can have huge data being collected. As it can be numerical, it can be pictures, it can be audios, it can be videos, it can be statistical data. Fine. So we have learned a lot about data set. Now before proceeding, let us do a small activity. I want all of you to define the data in your own words. For that, you can open menti.com. I hope you all are aware. If not, then I'm sharing the link with you. If you know, you can open it. Okay. So I'm also posting the code in the chat box. And here is the link you can click and join. Have you all
At
received
this time
the link?
only, ma'am. At this time only.
Yeah, at this
Okay.
time. Please click on the link.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
I'm giving you the code.
Okay, code we have received, madam.
Yes.
Then submit. Shall we do? We have to write the
Ma'am,
definition.
is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8?
No, ma'am. That is the code which is there, default one. I am giving you the code. See the code.
We haven't got the code in the chat.
Ma'am, we haven't got.
Okay. No worries. Now you might have got.
No,
No,
ma'am.
no, ma'am. No.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, it is not visible.
Just
Now
Now
we
it
got
is there, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, now it's there.
Okay. No worries. So let me share with you what all you are posting.
What do you mean by data set? Is it?
Yeah. In your own words.
Okay, ma'am.
So I've shared the screen with you. Your all answers will be there. You want, if you wish, you can also write your name with your definition.
Collection of data.
Okay. Collection of related raw information. Great. Collection of related data. Same. Okay. Data set is a collection of data collected from people who use technology. Good. Information which can be collected by various ways. Okay. Okay, pool of values, raw facts and figures, great. Video, pictures, audio, good.
हाँ जी
I
57 कितना
see 21 people have participated. I want all of you to participate, teachers.
ये 57 ए है फिर 57 बी है ऊपर से
Okay, Yatendra sir has written data set is a collection of raw data getting from different medium, raw facts, okay. So I want all of you to participate. You can do give multiple answers, but at least we are 40 people. We should have 40 answers, collection of relative information. Okay, data is collection of some specific information, contact details, example, okay. Good. Fine. Okay, so after posting your answers, teachers, can you all see my screen?
Yes.
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is
Oh,
visible.
very nice. So do you also agree that I'm also collecting data?
Yes,
Yeah.
you are
Yes,
collecting
ma'am.
data from various sources.
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, that's nice. So you're 40 people from 40 sources. I'm also collecting
Yes.
40 different definitions of the data set, and this will also make a data. So that's great. Good way of explanation, I believe. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks. So right now I will be closing this, and let's move to our next discussion. Okay, now as far as data set, we have learned what is data set. All of you have very well defined. Congratulations to all of you. Now, before proceeding to machine learning hands-on, let us also, categorize that what kind of data sets can exist. As in, if I want to train my model, okay, let me tell you that there will be one training data set.
Yeah.
Do you all agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Which I will train my model,
Yes,
which is
ma'am.
very,
Yeah,
very important.
Training
Yes,
and
ma'am.
testing, ma'am.
And testing data
Testing
test.
data set is the second
We
one.
have all intelligent people here. Very nice.
yes
So
ma'am.
testing data set will be the other kind of data set which we should
data set
have, right? So if we want to differentiate between training data set as already defined by the name itself, that a data set that we feed into our machine learning algorithm or our black box to train our model is training data set. And if I formally define testing data set, then a data set that we use to validate the accuracy of our model. This is the last, you might all of you are computer science teachers, so you might have gone through the software development life cycle, SDLC, or maybe
yes ma'am
AA
SDLC
cycle. So we know, yes, we know that the last phase is evaluation, where we are actually testing the
Yeah.
information and our model. So
Yep.
for judging the accuracy of the model, we need to have a data set, right? Now the caution is, teachers, that it is not recommended to use the data set we use to build the model for evaluating. Can anybody answer me why? Why is it so?
Ma'am, can you please repeat your question?
Yeah, sure. So I was just saying that it is always recommended that the data we use to build the model, that is the training data set, should never be used as a testing data set data.
Because we have to test it on a different conditions, like whatever
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
trained, it will work, but we have to test it on a unseen conditions.
Yeah, so you are 100% right. May I know your name, please? Who is answering?
Ma'am, Ruchi Malik.
Yeah, Ruchi ma'am, you are completely right. So I do agree with you. And this is because our model will simply remember the whole training set data, isn't it? And will therefore always predict the correct labels or classes what we have defined. course. So any point of time in the data set, if you want to evaluate it correctly, you want accurate results. So, we have to always have two data sets. One is training data set and one is testing data
Testing.
set. And yes, if your results are not that accurate, so we need to retrain our model with more kind of data set. And this is, also called as recurating data set, that we should always keep on adding to, more data. Fine. And this condition is also known as overfitting of data. This is also known as overfitting, right? Whenever we are trying to use the training data for testing purpose, this condition is overfitting, which is actually not appropriate, not recommended. Okay, fine. So we have also talked about recurating data set. Once we know that the model is not giving us accurate results, so we go for we can keep on adding the new data set to make data set larger and more diverse, thereby improving the efficiency and accuracy of the model, right? Okay, so now teachers, we have I'm giving you okay, let me shift to my next slide by removing this. Okay, so how do we apply or create this data set? Now we have learned that we can also feed the data, live data, by camera or by sensors or by recorded activities. So we can do that. And all these kind we'll be learning today with Teachable Machine. So I am dropping the web address of Teachable Machine. Now see, we have two versions. One version of Teachable Machine we started in 2017, and the other experiment we are gonna we have just, it has just launched by Google experiment. So a few features before we start with it is an AI experiment first of all. Then it is a Google's initiative, that we all know it is a Google experiment. And the basic thing is we have to train the model with external data, or it can be real-time data. Okay, it can be using devices like camera, mic, etc. And the foremost thing is that the data is live in the browser. It is nowhere in the server. Whatever we are doing, it is live in the browser. And best part is we don't require any coding in that. So that is best part. We can include many teachers and of course children, so that they can more and more can be AI savvy, I should say. Okay, now can you see in chat box there is an web address. This is first version of the Teachable Machine. Can you all see? If you want, you can work with me, because at the end of my presentation, I would expect you people also to go through or show some of your projects you're working with me. Okay. So I am opening this. Okay. So this will be the screen you might all have got.
Yes.
Okay. Great. So let's start by skipping the tutorial, because I'm there to help you out for now. Now you see, teachers, we have got a screen where I have an input, a learning, there's the black box where it will learn the model, and then you will also have the output. Now you can train your model. Let's say this, I want to train your there are three, so let me pick up by rock paper scissors. Okay, so let me give a rock. Okay, and I am clicking on this train green. So
Yes, ma'am.
various types of pictures, let me click on for training the model, so that it can detect every kind of image. Fine. Okay, now let me have a paper. Okay,
Yes, open hand. Yes.
yeah, open hand for paper, and let me move and make it work as a paper. Fine. And then I might have a scissor.
Scissor. Yes. Forefinger
Yes.
and middle
So,
finger.
yes. I'm now training my orange clouds. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me move this all around. The more I give the data set, the more accurate will be the results. Okay. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
way you see I have trained my model. Now I would like to show it a rock. I can show it a paper and a scissor. So do you see the accuracy of my model, the confidence of my model?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are, now you please come on the output window. Can you see this? There is a cat, and when I show a paper, there is a dog, and then when I show it a scissor, again there's a rabbit. So you can also use sounds in place. Okay, so let me show. Is the sound audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So let me show. Okay, very sad sound. And now let me show a rock. Similarly, teachers, I have a third tab where I can have also some part of the speech.
Hello.
Can you write here? Yes. Okay, so let me show a rock. Okay. There's a problem in the sound, I believe. Okay, let me
So
show.
you can write here something for
Awesome.
ma'am rock, like you can
Yeah,
write
it's
the rock
already
there
written.
and
It's
paper
already
there.
written.
That is what
It's
you want
already
to.
written, ma'am.
Can we
Yeah.
write also?
Yeah, you can.
Yes.
You can.
Hello.
Yeah. I'm writing hi. Let's say how. Okay. This has come up. Let me write a hi. And then let me show a rock. Okay. Scissor.
Awesome.
No.
Yes. Hi.
Okay. So can you all observe that?
Yes, ma'am. It's very interesting.
Yeah, so now I would like all of you to try this, and then possibly 2, 3 we can just quickly go through, and then we move to the next model of teachable machine. Okay.
Ma'am, would you please explain the purpose of, correlating that with the GIF or the sound or the image, ma'am?
Okay. So, well, Shelly ma'am, just see when I am relating, when I'm doing any activity, there is event triggering. Okay.
Mhm.
Yes.
Similarly, you can show, this is an experiment which is showing a GIF. Maybe I want to make a game where I'm showing something, and, event is being triggered.
Yes.
Maybe GIF is being fired. Being shown to
Yes.
you, or maybe a sound is there. Okay, or maybe I want something to be talked about, right? So I can make games for that purpose, educational things. I mean, for children, I can make some educational applications,
All
right,
right,
with the
ma'am.
help of this. Yeah.
All right, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, you're most welcome. So once you are done, just raise your hand and let's start sharing. If you have done.
If you done it right now with us, na, it would be helpful for you. So we want maximum participation from your side.
Very
And-
true, Shelly ma'am.
Yeah. And if you do it right now, you might come up with some doubts.
Ma'am, actually that link is not opening through phone.
Yeah, I guess. Are you not on the system?
No, I'm not on system.
Okay, that's fine, Pratigya ma'am. You can try it out later. No worries.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, when you tried out later, na, if you face any difficulty, you could contact your mentor regarding the same.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Okay.
I've done it. How to show it to you?
Ma'am, you can share your screen. I'm giving you permission to share your screen. You can just share. And please raise your hand. I want to see how many of you have done and are really working, except for those who have some hardware issues. Okay, I see Shelly Batra ma'am has done. Okay, good. So Shelly Batra ma'am, would you like to share?
Ma'am, can I share?
Sure, ma'am, I'll do that.
Yeah,
Should I
so
wait?
yeah, so we are waiting for Smita ma'am to share and then you can share, Shelly
Sure,
ma'am.
ma'am. I'll wait, ma'am. Thank you.
Share it, huh?
Smita ma'am, I don't see a raise hand from your side. I know
I
you
had
have.
raised actually. I had raised. Can you
Okay.
see?
Yeah, ma'am, I can.
See, I have done with a pen.
Oh, that's nice.
And with the next one is mouse.
Oh, so
One
all
with
things
a
around you.
medicine. Yes.
Oh, these are
Anti-allergy.
lifeline these days. Medicine.
Yes.
True. Great, ma'am. Great. Congratulations, you have done it. So
Thank you.
now, Shelly ma'am, can you share?
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am has to stop sharing.
Yeah, I have. Carry
Thank you.
on.
Thank you.
I have also done, ma'am.
Oh, great, Naveen sir. So can you share after Shelly ma'am?
Ma'am, I just followed what you did. This
Yeah.
is first one, rock.
Yeah,
And
great.
have the paper.
Oh.
And then we have the scissor.
Yeah, I could see all the 3 GIFs. Congratulations, you have done it.
Right. Thank you, ma'am.
You are ready to train lot others. Good job. Naveen sir, you were wanting to share? Naveen sir, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm going to share.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is my model.
Oh, yes. Okay.
This is scissor.
Yes. Great, Naveen sir. Thank you so much. Okay, so we see so many teachers have done, and mostly of you might be trying. That's fine. If you are not able to try it right now, you can try it out later. Can I
Pooja
ask?
ma'am,
Yes,
excuse
ma'am.
me.
Yeah.
Dipti here.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have clicked on the link, but I skipped that camera one, so I'm getting input as blank only.
Okay, ma'am, you can close your that particular window. Okay, and then again you open the link. It will again ask you to allow your browser to use the or application to use the camera. So you can do that again.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, is there any way once we have made this kind of a model to download and keep it and, probably share it with our kids?
Right, ma'am. There is a way. So now we are going to the second model and the second version, I should say. So I'm dropping the link. If there are no queries, we can continue with the second version.
Ma'am, I had a query. How can we use this teaching machine for students where we are not teaching about AI, but it may be some other subject? Like how to relate it to that?
Exactly. I was wanting somebody to ask this question because, the vision of CBSE and Chitkara and IBM is that everyone, this is, we are not learning coding here. I won't be telling you any coding here. But the thing is that we want you to learn these tools so that these tools can be used by everyone. Each one. I mean, maybe it should not be subject specific. We are CS teachers. We are learning these tools. We'll be teaching after this. We'll be teaching in our schools to teachers, to students. Maybe you can use this model for a nursery KG or maybe kindergarten child to or a teacher to develop some model where he recognizes some kind of shape, some kind of objects. I hope you understand, or maybe alphabets. So all these things we want teachers, teachers who are not CS from CS background should learn all these things. That's why we are not doing any coding. We are doing simple experiments of Google, right?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. So here is the second link, teachers. We all can go and click on that link, and I am sharing my screen. Sorry. Now this is little advanced version of what we have done. I hope my screen is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
similar kind of screen will be available to you once you click on that link. Okay, now this is the second version of Teachable Machine, the Google experiment. So we can go to get started. Now here, teachers, we will have 3 options with us. One is image project, what we just did with the first version, and then there's also an audio project and post project, and you know they are still open, that more will be coming, so maybe in future we'll find more such, you know, experiments with Google. Okay, so first of all, let's go to image samples. Now here you see, in the previous version we did not have that freedom to define classes, okay, but here we have freedom of defining, naming our own classes. Let me say I am making a class me, and I'm making a class me with mask. Okay, so let me turn on my camera, and you see I will train the model. I'm holding it to record, so I can record at various angles, so that you know there are too many images, and always more images are good. So, and this is me with mask, so let me wear a mask and let's test the model. Let me hold to record, and I see so many samples here. I have taken 100 samples. Okay, now I will train my model by clicking here. Okay, till the model is trained, you don't have to move the screen, and you know once it comes to the working, the preview phase, then we can obviously change. Okay, now you see it says don't switch tabs, and I told you the reason. Do you remember the reason I told you? Okay, when we were talking of features of Teachable Machine, I told you the data is live in the browser. So we should not move the screen while it is training the model. Okay, now you see it is 100% me. You can see the output. Similarly, can you see me with mask? Now it is 100%. Okay, so teachers, this is you know, one way we can do it. And the other, I'll give you one more example. I will open a project, and this project is, suppose, okay, let me open this for you. Apple Banana Teachable Machine. Okay, so I've left my current project. So you know, somebody has raised a question that can you save? So yes, of course, see, I have opened the saved model. Okay, we can save it in a drive, we can download it, we can also use this code into our we can get the code out of it. This version is little advanced. We can also use the developed model. Okay, now teachers, you see there are 105 samples of the apples. You see different kinds of apple, without stickers, with stickers. I have lot many apple images what I've stored, and then you see banana. The color is different, the size is different, the orientation is different. Okay, can you all see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, great. So now I would try my model to tell me whether I'm showing, and now I'll be showing out of these pictures, teachers, I'll be showing a live apple or a live banana, and see whether is it able to judge or not. Okay. So just a second, a minute more to complete. Okay, so now you see our model is trained. So I'm showing an apple. See, can you see the output, the accuracy? Yes?
Yes.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay, great. So I'm showing a banana case. So it is saying that yes, it is banana.
Ma'am, show something else. Can we do it?
Else apart from these two, ma'am?
Yeah, let me show my AC remote. So you see nothing is 100% and it is variating. right? Okay, now also let me show you few images. Can you see this image? The
Yes,
printed
ma'am.
image? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So though there was no leaf in the original data set, still it's able to recognize that this is an apple. And see, the orientation is different. Still it is able to recognize that this is a banana. Is it fine?
Ma'am, quick draw is for this only. I think quick draw, which we are teaching to students, it has also got so many image which is being stored there. I think.
Yeah, I think quick draw, what you do is you give some images and maybe you start drawing the images and then it completes the images. Yeah.
I mean, the quick draw, it was there like so many images are already fed. So if we, when we start drawing some, yeah, when we start drawing, it completes.
Yeah,
actually.
yeah. So there are many. There's a Google experiment also. I don't remember the name exactly. I think Auto Draw is there.
Auto draw is also, ma'am. Yeah, it completes it.
Yeah. So fine.
Ma'am, in the previous version we can't save, but in the next version we can save our projects.
Yes. So let me
Just
again-
live and on the spot
Yes.
we can just use.
Yeah, let me show
All
you.
right. No, that I can do it, ma'am. I can do it. I've been
Yeah.
able to do it. Thank you.
Telling to everyone else, you can do it. You can also add a class. You can upload images, complete data set of images. Fine. So here you can do it, import it from your Google Drive if you have. Okay, and then you can save your project to Drive. The extension of this project will be .tm. Okay, so as you see that this is there, and if I try to open my projects, okay, there are 3-4 projects I have saved in this. So these are my models. So they are all TM models. I have saved it into my Google Drive. You can do the same. Also, if you want to fiddle it more as a computer science teacher, you can export the model, right? Because this is based on TensorFlow. So you can get the code here, right? You can use this code, though this code won't give you a data set, but yes, of course, it will give you the code snippet. Okay, so you can do that. Fine. So I would like all of you to try this, and then we again discuss a few. Okay, so once you are done, just raise your hand. Here, this is advanced version, so you might have some queries while doing that. If you want, I can provide you some data set of dogs and cats. Would you like to have that? Okay, everybody is at work, I believe. You can raise your hand once you're done. You can try out with different objects, try to create more than 2 classes at least. Complete silence, I believe great minds are at work. Yeah.
Pooja, ma'am, Dipti here again.
Yes.
I'm working on laptop right now,
Right.
attending your meeting on laptop only.
Okay.
When I'm clicking on the image over here, okay, like webcam or upload, these two options are coming on my screen.
Yes.
Below the class 1.
Mm-hmm.
So when I'm clicking on webcam, it is giving me an error that make
yes,
sure
ma'am, I have
permissions
done
are
that one.
enabled or switch to image uploading.
It is giving you error. Have you not allowed your this web browser to use the camera?
Ma'am, can I show that one?
Yes, yes, Mohan sir. Yes, you can share. The sharing rights are already given. Dipti ma'am, please try doing it again.
It's
Close the
giving me the
browser.
same error. I think I'll have to go to my control panel and give the permission like that.
Yeah, you may allow your browser to.
I have done.
मैम जो अभी आपने लास्ट टाइम अभी टीचेबल मशीन का किया है, you have allowed that link also to use your camera, ना?
Yeah, the same.
Yeah.
You
So,
have to allow.
off the tab and then allow again. It will be done.
I have done, ma'am.
Yeah, Mohan sir, please show. Okay, that's great. An apple and a mango. Okay.
That's good.
Ma'am, I also have done.
I have done, ma'am.
That's nice. Great, Mohan sir.
Ma'am, I have also done, ma'am.
You can, Mohan sir, increase the training data so that you get more accurate results. Okay, 4 samples are too less, right?
Ma'am, I have
May I
also
share,
done
ma'am?
Ruchi.
Yeah, you may, sir. You may.
Ma'am, shall I share?
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Ma'am, Ruchi this time.
So Naveen Gupta sir is sharing. After him, you can.
This is my mobile phone, which I have added.
Oh, that's
You
nice.
can see.
Great samples, good value.
And this is mouse. It's second one.
Okay, so okay, that's class 2. Good.
Ma'am, shall I?
It's able to recognize.
Yeah, great, sir. Sir, do you have some other mobile or some other device which looks like mobile? Just try out for different.
Yeah,
objects.
I'll try. Wait.
So Ruchi ma'am is sharing right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think mine is coming. This is my mobile, ma'am.
Ruchi ma'am, we are not able to see your screen for now.
Your screen is not shared, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
It is getting shared, but
Yeah.
because the bandwidth is low at your end.
Ma'am also completed.
Ma'am, I have also completed my
Ma'am,
model.
is it sharing or shall I? I mean,
No, now it is sharing, ma'am.
Yeah, now we are able to see that.
ma'am, this is my mobile. Second,
Oh.
I've tried with a cup, ma'am.
Okay, great. So I think you were
And-
having your evening tea along.
Yeah, and ma'am, third water bottle, ma'am. I always
That's
keep bottle with
nice,
me.
That's nice. So you have made of 3 objects.
3 objects,
Good,
ma'am.
good,
Cup,
good.
ma'am, water bottle and mobile. These are 3 main things I need, ma'am.
Yes, that's nice. And the accuracy is too good because you have used more than
Ma'am,
40
yes, ma'am.
samples. Yes.
47, 49, and up also I've used, ma'am, many images. I think more than that.
Great. Good job. Good job.
95 images, ma'am, in water bottle. It was
Yeah.
just.
Good job. So
Shall I
now,
share?
yeah,
Can I share?
sure. Smita ma'am is sharing or Bindu ma'am?
Ma'am, Bindu.
Okay, Bindu ma'am. Most welcome.
Ma'am, yesterday night I was talking to Bindu, ma'am. We were not able to open the video. So at 11 when I started, I was not able. That's why I couldn't do the assignment.
That's fine, ma'am. You can complete it.
Yeah.
I trained my model with the 2 things, mugs and bottles, and I had given the 197 samples of the mugs and 186 samples of the bottle.
Oh, that's great.
So
So
when I
anyways,
show it,
you give, if you use different angles, you can guess.
yes, I have used the different angles for my mug. So it is 100% accuracy. And when I show the bottle, it is again the 100% because I have shown each and every angle of my bottle.
Great. Bindu ma'am, do you have some other bottle with some different color?
Man, right now I have no have because
Okay. Later on, we can try out with
Yeah,
different mugs and different kind of bottles. Let's see
Yes,
how
ma'am.
much your machine is able to recognize. Okay. Otherwise, we can retrain our model. We can use recuperating data set, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Can I
great.
show now? Ma'am,
Yeah,
can I show?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Sure, you're most welcome.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, this is my model.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Can
so-
you see my screen, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
Sure, I can.
My chunni.
Huh? You with dupatta and you without dupatta. Great.
I'll just take it out. Let me see. And just scroll down so that this is coming 100%.
Oh, that's nice. Quite innovative, ma'am. Good.
Thank
So
you.
the readily available things, you have made a great model, Smita ma'am.
Thank
Congratulations.
you. Thank you, ma'am.
Good. So anybody else who would like to show something else? Okay, I suppose we are 40. We have just seen 5 to 6. What about others? Are you not trying? Okay,
am I
let's see.
audible, ma'am?
Yeah, Kunal sir, you are. Kunal sir, you are audible. Would you like to
And this
share?
links, can you send it in the Google
Screen is
Classroom?
visible, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am, sure. Sir, we'll send the links. Sir, we are not able to see your screen, Kunal sir.
Your screen is not shared, Kunal sir.
Oh, yeah, he started sharing.
Yeah. It's shared.
This one is glass.
Okay.
Okay. And this one is a tab.
Oh, that's nice. So you can replace this tab with a phone.
But for this pencil also it is showing, ma'am, 100%.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
I was not given.
So sure, what you should do is you should increase the sample size. Okay. See, you have only 23 images for your tablet, and you see the way you are holding it vertical. It can just guess that it's it's glowing like that.
Actually, that I want to do to confuse the device, that if I'm giving a similar object, then it is confusing or not.
Yeah, it is confusing, sir, for the model. So you can use more training data, right?
Yes.
Fine. Okay, Kunal sir, thank you so much. Great. So I think most of us have done, except see, if I'm twisting my question, if you have doubt anywhere, you're stuck, please do come up with your doubts. I see so many teachers are there. You have to teach the same thing to other teachers who are not from CS background teachers. If there's a doubt, please come up with your doubts. Otherwise, let us share the audio model. I had also developed an audio model to showcase it to you so that again, you can use.
Ma'am, can I ask a question, please?
Yeah, do please.
While I was trying the project, I realized that there are some advanced settings as well in training model and train
Yes, ma'am.
option.
Yes, there are.
What are those?
Ma'am, you can see there is an epoch there. Yeah. Can you see?
Yeah.
There's an epoch. Okay. Now this epoch is, it's the number of epochs higher, the more accurate becomes your model. Why? Because it is a hyperparameter that defines the number times the algorithm will work through your entire data set, right? If you see, okay, let me share once I open this. So
May I
the
explain
more
this?
you increase the epochs, the more accurate your model will become. Okay, because
Ma'am, reduce, not. If you reduce, then it will be more. 50% means normally average is 50%.
yes,
Whenever you start comparing something, if it is matched 50%, it will give you the option. If you reduce it, if you say 10%, if it matched 10%, then it will give you. So more you increase or decrease, it will give you accuracy.
okay. So you can go
In
to that advanced
Watson as well.
settings.
This.
Yeah. So you can go to the advanced settings and you can try, you can change the epochs. You can also reset default to defaults, which is actually 50. Okay. Okay. Now I would like to share.
Sorry to interrupt you, Pooja ma'am. We need to be little bit faster.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. The last thing I'm going to show, just 2 minutes, and then we can stop. Okay, can you all see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
yeah.
here the model is trained, to recognize the sound of cats and dogs. So this is an audio model. In audio model, teachers, if you go and click, you will see that you would have to have a background noise also, because at times the background noise is there and the model gets confused.
Ma'am, these audios you have got it from net. How do you get it,
No,
ma'am?
no, ma'am. No, I have recorded. See, you can use mic to record the audio.
Okay.
Right? Okay, so the model is trained right now. So I have 3 classes for now. I have cat, dogs, and donkey.
Ma'am, donkey also you have recorded, ma'am. You got it.
yeah. So, this is always good when you are working with little kids, right? So let me play a cat. I believe the background noise is to be recorded again. So let us record. Okay. Now, once we record, let's listen the sound of dog. Can you see the dog accuracy? The output in dog is greater once the dog is barking. Similarly, we can do it for other classes to recognize. Okay, so this is how your audio model may work with different voices. Great, so you can try that. And then there is one more model. There is one more pose model also you can try. If you see, audio project is there and a pose model is there. Okay, so you can try out with different models, image project, audio project, and pose project. Can you all tell me where would you like to use? As audio we have seen, we can ask to recognize various sounds. Where can we use pose project? Anybody who could tell?
Ma'am, for pattern recognition.
Lenskart is using, ma'am. Lenskart is using for that, getting that face
projector.
Okay, so
for
can you use
hairstyle.
some dance forms?
Yes, dance
Charts or
form.
something like
For
that in the
hairstyle,
classroom.
ma'am, different types of a hairstyle. We are using the
That
pose.
is not actually pose.
Yoga forms. Yoga forms.
Yes, yoga forms you can. Wherever you are using your body postures to pose, there you can use this pose projects.
Can use this as an like a game sort of thing, like for playing dumb charades in the class and recognize.
Yeah, you can. I hope you all know there is a game where it recognizes your hand gestures and all that. Those is not related to pose project, but body movements can be recognized the way, and then certain events can be triggered based on that.
Yes.
Right. Okay. So
have you gotten any example of that with you? Have you made something with the pose?
Yeah, I told you now, dance forms you can make it recognize certain dance forms, or maybe like Surya Namaskar and all those yoga poses can be recognized. Okay, so you can make certain pose projects like that based on that. Okay, thank you so much. So this is all for today's session. And Shelly ma'am, over to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such a lovely session. I think so everyone is clear about the teachable machine and they have learned something. Do you find it good?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very, very interesting.
Yeah. Very interesting, and no coding is there. We ensure you, as the ma'am has already said, that in the hands-on session later on also, we don't have any coding.
Ma'am, just small suggestion. If everybody can collaborate and come back with more ideas of how to incorporate for other subjects and teach in the class, I think that would be a better one.
Yes, ma'am. Now the topic comes here, ma'am, as we have already discussed that we will give you an assignment based upon the hands-on tool. So like we have done today, we have a teachable machine here, a hands-on session on that particular tool. So we are giving you an assignment, an open-ended assignment. We are not defining any statement over here, any project statement or anything, something assignment statement here. It is open for you all. Just come up with your ideas. You can design a project either of the three, audio, pose, or the image. Either of the three, you can prepare a project. You come up with your ideas. We are not imposing anything. So better the ideas, definitely better would be the things. And we will showcase those projects who we feel that they are out of the box. In the last two sessions that I have already shown you in the week 4, last two sessions will be totally about the discussion of these, showcasing of these projects, so that others would also get the idea. So
Okay, ma'am.
on your Google Classroom, you would find an assignment assigned to you, just in a statement that upload your teachable machine project. We are giving you 2 days time. Day after tomorrow, you will have 6:30 p.m. again a session 3 planned for this week. Till that time, it will be open for you. Just upload the assignment. It would consist of 5 marks. Any project, whatever you feel, any idea, whatever, if you feel like you have given an idea that incorporates some other subjects in computer science in teachable machine, you can. So come up with your ideas. We are feeling like that you are again a teachers, you are coming up with the different ideas, and we want to see all these.
Madam, project in the form of written project? I mean,
No, sir, nothing like that. The RTF file which you are going to download after creating a teachable machine project.
Okay.
Same.
As a .tm file, ma'am.
TM's file, sorry.
We have to use the second version that you have taught us, right?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. So am I clear about the project?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So we are.
Which option should we use? TensorFlow Lite,
Anyone.
TensorFlow.js, or which
Anyone.
one? All right.
So now we are posting the quiz link for this session as well as the feedback link. Kindly provide us the feedback as well as attempt the quiz. Premanand sir, please post the quiz link.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a question. Ma'am, when we are done with that Mindspark activities, we will earn the certificate. Are we supposed to upload that certificate somewhere, or you will be notified on your own?
No, ma'am. We will definitely create a folder on your Google Classroom where you need to upload the certificate. We just want to have a track.
Okay. So we need to upload this in Google Classroom, and you will assign something.
And there is no time limitation from our side that in this week you have to complete your week 1 courses or something like that. We don't have any restriction for the same.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, will you share the link for that project?
Excuse me.
Ma'am,
I haven't got the Google Classroom link, means the code of the Google Classroom, because that I have got email from this Permanent sir, but I have sent email my Gmail ID and my WhatsApp number, but still I haven't got the Google Classroom code.
Okay, Premanand sir is present here in the session. Premanand sir, please contact Sanjeev Bora sir.
Ma'am, will you share the link for that project?
Which project, ma'am?
Camstone you were talking about.
Ma'am, that we will give you at the end of the training. The 4 tools we are making you to teach. On the same, we will give you the project. Any of the tool you will learn in the session.
Okay,
Madam,
Premanand sir, please post the link.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, the file type, sorry, Vasudha ma'am have asked that file type would be the TM file.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are waiting for feedback link, ma'am. It's not coming.
Quiz link also, we are waiting for quiz link as well
Ma'am,
as
on that day also, day before yesterday, we have not received any feedback link.
This quiz would be open till what time today?
Sorry, till 8:30, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
No, ma'am. It is 8:15, ma'am.
8:15, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please make it as 8:30.
Ma'am, quiz is open, but feedback link is not there.
Yeah, I'm just posting it.
And please make it as 8:30, ma'am.
Please make it till 8:15. It's very difficult to make it right now.
Ma'am, it asking for the resume. Is it compulsory to upload the resume?
No, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. Ma'am, what the verification code?
It will come to your mail, ma'am.
Okay. That is in my mail.
In feedback, it is asking batch. That will be batch 1, 2.
Yeah, if your batch could be seen on your Google Classroom. It could be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, anyone, because you all are from batch 1.
Ma'am, session, what session we have to type in?
Session 2, sir. Session 2. This is session 2.
Thank you.
The quiz. Can we leave now, ma'am, and do the quiz?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Those who are facing the bandwidth problem can leave the session. Please attempt the quiz as well
Ma'am,
as
my
the
camera is
feedback.
not recognizing by the.
Just pass. Just pass. Camera is not compulsory.
I have not received it. That email, some verification or something.
But it's
Just
not
refresh.
passing out. It's not passing out. It's saying resume. Camera not found. Not working.
Resume.
Again, I'm clicking on resume, but it's not working. It's saying, please check camera is fine.
Ma'am, email verification I have not received.
Just refresh it, ma'am.
Ma'am, there is no option of passing out the camera.
Sir, it would be there. It definitely would be there. आ गया ना? Smita ma'am, you received the verification code?
Ma'am, आया तो question आया, camera चला, and then it's gone back.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got it. Got it.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's not working.
Which Naveen sir, camera is not working?
Camera is अभी आया था, फिर चला गया. एक question दिखने के बाद.
You could switch on the camera. It hardly matters.
I have switched on. Still, it's not working.
Okay.
Again, I think I should start again.
It might be the bandwidth problem, sir.
No bandwidth is. I'm having 100 Mbps speed. No issues with the bandwidth. I think I'll just close few applications.
Madam, every time we'll get verification code?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
On which email ID, ma'am, the verification code?
The email ID you have started right now, you are in the session, na? You are with some email ID. So definitely you have logged in some email ID, that email ID it picked up.
Because ma'am, one is the ID that I used for registration is different and to join the Google Classroom is different.
No,
That's
for
right.
registration in the Zoom meet might be opened by you right now.
Right.
Yeah, you might have received in that.
Okay, I haven't, ma'am. Just
Because
wondering.
yeah, we didn't put any
Ma'am,
students
नहीं हो रहा
data.
ये, नहीं हो रहा.
Anybody else is facing the same problem?
Camera start होता है, question 1 दिखा.
Yes, ma'am. It is not coming. Proceed.
Yes, ma'am. It is,
yes,
the
ma'am.
camera
Same
is not.
issue.
I am getting it. I am able to do it.
Madam,
I don't have any issues.
Same issue, ma'am. Same issue.
Proceed
Proceed is
Camera
camera
आता है.
issues. Proceed only, it is not going.
Camera आता है, then it चला जाता है.
Just wait.
I'm starting
Not
it
able
once
to
again.
do the test.
Till the time, please fill the feedback form. I am just coming up with the same.
Madam, when I am entering the code, no, getting invalid verification code.
Naveen sir, you I think have to enable the cookies. The same problem I was facing once I enabled the cookies. Now it's working. Please
I'm
try that.
enabled the cookies, but
Okay.
because last time I
Could
don't have any
be
problem.
from your side. I understand, sir. I completely agree with you. I tried that. We are just doing the intent trial.
Okay, I'll try.
My quiz link is not opening, ma'am. Please send me next one or another one.
Time like 10-15 minutes.
Excuse me, anybody? Am I audible,
Ma'am,
please?
I was able to complete the quiz. There was no issues from my side. I have done it.
Madam, when I am entering the verification code, I am getting a message invalid verification code. I received verification code through mail, no?
So only enter the numeric value over there.
Any numeric value?
नहीं, you will get the verification code. इसमें बीच में is लिख करके आ रहा है, उसके बाद एक verify 65811 ऐसे करके लिखा है, वो कोड आपको एंटर करना है.
No, I am entering only numeric value of 5 digits.
Sir, you must be using full stop also. It will not take full stop.
हाँ, only the numeric value it will
No,
use.
only I am entering 5-digit numeric value, nothing else. Even I am getting invalid verification code. I have entered twice. What should I do now?
Ma'am, my
completed test.
Thing camera should be on.
Test link is not working. Anybody please help me. Please provide me another link.
Ma'am, kindly tell what to do because not able to.
Ma'am, is it
open up the
compulsory to
quiz.
upload the resume?
Same problem. Camera not found.
No, it's not compulsory to upload.
Mine is started working.
Okay.
I've just
Ma'am,
restarted
my
everything.
problem is camera. It is not recognizing a camera because of network problem. See, camera is my problem.
Madam, we have to enter only numeric value, no? Like
Yeah,
5
sir.
digits. But even I am getting invalid verification code. How?
So what's your value?
19791.
So it's some. Sir, if you have that type of a problem, then you can ask the Shelly ma'am because she will tell you about this because.
Okay.
Ma'am, if we are done with both things, then can we leave?
Ma'am, I have completed. Can I leave the meeting?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Okay. I was able to do the quiz as well as that Google
Feedback
form.
form
There
you
was
have
no-
filled, ma'am? Yeah, you can
yes,
leave.
both. Okay.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
Project
Thank
link
you.
not got, ma'am. Project uploading link, ma'am.
The project uploading link would be available in your Google Classroom.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Madam, when I am entering the
My quiz
code,
is not working. Please
ठीक है, sir,
provide
मैं
me
देखती
something
हूँ
for
मेरी
quiz.
मैम को
what should I do now?
Ma'am, I
Mine
haven't
is
got the
also not
verification
working
mail.
because of the camera. Because of the
Same here,
camera.
ma'am. Same problem with me as well.
Ma'am, same with me. Camera is not working. It is not starting.
It is showing the error.
Yes, ma'am. Because of camera only.
Verification link. Naveen, sir, you got solved your problem?
Yes, ma'am. Mine is completed.
Others do have a problem of verification code. Kindly refresh it.
Ma'am, camera only.
Camera issue, ma'am. Camera issue.
Down there, you must be getting a cookies over there. Just close it and you'll be able to do that.
Restart
It's not
the
going further. It's not going further.
restart the Chrome.
Okay. Because I was
restarted, I
able
have
to do
closed
that.
every application. then.
Proceed button is working or not? on your test?
Naveen sir, did you do it with the camera or without the camera?
With camera.
Okay, I think it's not allowing you to proceed without the camera.
If your camera is working fine in the laptop now, I think so it won't allow you to do it without camera.
अच्छा मतलब ये to
The software automatically detects
Thank you,
your
ma'am.
camera
Thank
is
you so
working
much.
fine and you are deliberately closing it.
Okay.
But it's in phone, we cannot do it.
Email verification
Column
code.
phone में-
Proceed
phone
button
में
is
quiz-
working or not?
Yeah, Amandeep ma'am, yeah, come up please.
Proceed button is not working, so they have to click on the left
I'm
side.
showing the message camera not found.
Yes, ma'am, same here. Camera not found.
So in
And
that
it's
case,
not proceeding further, ma'am.
सेम मैम फोन पे भी यही प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है.
phone पे तो I think so phone पर quiz को attempt
So
करना
please
पड़ेगा.
in your
कैमरा दिखाते टेस्ट नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ.
Finish is at top right corner.
so you have to change the setting maybe. Sometime in the laptop the camera is restricted, so you have to click
Ma'am,
on.
should we reopen the link, or what should we do? Re-enter all the details. How should we proceed?
मैम आई हैव ट्राइड 5 to 6 times but the same problem. Proceed anyway के बाद it doesn't like
I
quiz
know it's
खुलता ही
showing
नहीं
the
है.
same error, Rupali ma'am, to me also. It's showing that camera
Ma'am,
not
camera,
found.
I can like my camera is working here in Zoom meeting, but it's not working.
Ma'am, I
there.
think you need to close it from Zoom. Then only it will be available to the other app. Try to do that, Ruchi ma'am. It will work.
Ma'am, I have completed the test. Shall I leave?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Shirley ma'am, I have the same problem like in Teachable Machine, where we have to upload the images using webcam. It is giving me error there. So what could be the solution for that?
You have a problem in uploading the images?
No, uploading I can do it from my files also, but when I'm
Okay.
using a web camera option, it is giving me an error. So what am I supposed to do? Because in both the Teachable Machines, which ma'am has taught us, in both the things I'm having the same problem.
Pooja ma'am, do you have any idea?
Madam, same problem I am also facing. Camera not found. What should I do?
In Teachable Machine, it is showing that.
No, I'm taking test. No, after entering the code,
okay.
When I am clicking at start, I'm getting message camera not found.
So in that case, is camera not found? It is not showing you the to pass it and start the test.
Yeah.
No, ma'am, it's
Yes.
not. It's
Yes,
if
ma'am,
you
yes.
click on
Is
it
there
anyway, it doesn't go
any
further.
icon
So
on
if
the
it
right
hasn't
side?
found a camera, no, it will show you the option. Yeah, Amandeep ma'am, please.
Yeah, is there any icon on the right side of your screen, camera with the cross sign in a red color?
No.
Now my code is also coming incorrect. What I got an email, I'm using the same code. I just tell you now it is coming incorrect. It's 35747.
You
Let me
could
just check my code.
After closing entire process, again you will restart the test process. Then camera will be on.
Sir, I have tried 5 to 6 times the same thing. Even I have like many reopened the Chrome as well.
Hello.
But my accepted after once refresh all and then close all the test link and then start. It may be.
Okay. Please send this test link again, then we'll try again.
Not found आ रहा sir. Sir, camera not found आ रहा जबकि.
Ma'am, can you please send the test link again?
ये refresh भी किया सर उसके बाद भी ये तो बोल रहा है कि not
Sir,
found आ रहा है.
right side top पे कोई कैमरे का साइन आ रहा है कैमरा?
हाँ आ रहा है ठीक है.
सर क्लिक करें उसमें.
हाँ उस पे क्लिक किया और ऑलवेज अलाउ कर
प्लीज
दो।
वेट, वी आर वर्किंग
हाँ,
ऑन इट।
always allow कीजिए।
हम सेटिंग्स भी
हाँ
चेंज कर
ऑलवेज
रहे हैं,
अलाउ
प्लीज
कर
वेट।
दिया, ठीक
It
है।
will work, sir, now?
नॉट फाउंड आ रहा है, मैं एक बार रिफ्रेश करता हूँ इसको।
Yes, sir. Please refresh.
अभी भी नॉट फाउंड आ रहा मैडम। This
Right,
page is this page is
Mahendra sir,
using your
please try
G.
what I did. What I did is I closed the window, I reopened it, and then I enabled the camera. Now it is working. And you have to close your camera from Zoom.
Okay. Let me try it again then.
left hand side down corner term and condition, that also needed to do check, then only proceed work.
Sir, it's working?
Now it's working. Yes, thank you. It's working.
Everyone, please click on the camera icon on the right side of your screen if you face the issue regarding the
Everyone, please refresh your screen. Please refresh your browser and please start it again. We have eliminated the camera as well as the verification code. Those who can't able to attempt till now, please refresh your browser and please try it again.
Yes, ma'am, it's working now. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's working. Now, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Feedback, please.
Batch 1-1, no, madam?
Batch 1-1, sir. You are with Premanand, sir, na?
Yes.
Yeah, batch 1-1, sir.
But in my
Yes,
feedback, I did batch 1-2, ma'am. By mistake,
Okay.
I did batch
It's
1-2.
okay. It's okay, sir. It's okay.
And one last query, ma'am. This teachable machine needed to download?
No, sir. Only the project you have created on Teachable Machine needs to be downloaded. It runs online.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. May I quit?
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Done with the test. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Sorry for keeping you waiting.
No issues, ma'am. No issues. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. I have completed my test as well as feedback form.
Thank you,
very
sir.
much.
Thank you
very
so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Excuse me, I left the meeting, Zoom meeting, and tried to work on that quiz, but it is still not working.
Ma'am, please
I have again
refresh the
joined.
browser. Actually, when you left the meeting, we have changed the settings. So just refresh the browser. It started working. We have changed the
Okay,
settings from backend actually.
Now I can't see the link. I have again joined.
Okay, we will post it again, ma'am.
Yes.
Now it is shown to you.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Just refresh the browser, ma'am.
Okay.
Just open it again or just refresh your browser.
Ma'am, I have also done both. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Sorry for this problem, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's okay. It's okay, ma'am.
Asha ma'am, Tarun sir, and Neena ma'am. Any issues?
Yeah, it started. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Asha
please
ma'am,
send
Tarun
a
sir, have you
feedback.
done?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm just doing send a feedback link, na, ma'am.
I send it again, sir. Sir, it's there in the chat box. Please check.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Amandeep, ma'am, you could leave.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.